So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, this is MEDIABOXENT. Well, we always bring you the latest in technology, this time an electric bike. But I'm going to show you the details, how the whole thing works, all that's coming up right now. How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario and this is MEDIABOXENT. So let's take a look at the all-terrain fat tire e-bike foldable. Only 2 steps. So the tires first are 20 inches by 4, and the cool thing, the 4 inches would allow you now to run on any type of terrain, such as snow or at the beach, summertime or all year round. If you're looking on charging wise, it's a fast charger. It only takes about 2 hours. It's 48 volts, 13 amp, but it will get you about over 24 miles. Now, the next thing, we're going to show you a test later on, and I'll show you through GPS. We're going to see I was able to reach about 24 miles with no problem. Now, in one single charge, you should be able to get about 63 miles. Now, the way it works this way. So, it's a classic bike. You just pedal. Do not turn the motor on. Now, if you do the assist, you pedal, and at the same time you turn the motor on, you should be able to get 63 miles. Now, if you want to do 100% electric e-bike, you're not going to be pedaling at all, you should get about 25 miles in one single charge. And once again, it only takes 2 hours for a full charge. Now, gears wise, you have a total of 7 gears. Super easy to control the motors because we have a gray LCD screen where they show you the total battery, the voltage and mileage, all the information you need in real time. And it's super bright even with the daytime. Now you can turn the lights on in the front and the back. And by the way, you got these brakes right in the front and the back. Now the load is 330 pound maximum load, and this is a great tip. The ride height for this is 5.2 all the way to 6.8. So this is great. If you're a tall person, that's a bike you're looking for. So you know what, but you want to see a little test, we did something real cool. I'm going to show you the full speed and through GPS. We're going to do that right now. So what do you guys think about this bike? Pretty cool, right? We show you with the GPS, the speed, we show you how the whole thing works. So now, you know what? You need to get one of this. You need to buy that. I want to use this around the summertime, or I want to, run this during the winter time around the snow. So you need to buy one. Pretty simple, guys. I'll leave you the link right below this video. Check the comments, and I'll see you next time in another cool e-bike or maybe scooter coming up soon. I'm Dario, and this is MEDIABOXENT. Goodbye.